Guardians of Being by Eckhart Tolle. True happiness is found in simple, seemingly unremarkable things. But to be aware of little, quiet things, you need to be quiet inside. A high degree of alertness is required. Be still, look, listen, be present. Bring awareness to the many subtle sounds of nature. The rustling of leaves in the wind, raindrops falling, the humming of an insect, the first bird song at dawn. Give yourself completely to the act of listening. Beyond the sounds, there is something greater, a sacredness that cannot be understood through thought. Look at a tree, a flower, a plant. Let your awareness rest upon it. How still it is, how deeply rooted in being. Allow nature to teach you stillness. Everything natural, every flower, tree, and animal has important lessons to teach us if we would only stop, look, and listen. Just watching an animal closely can take you out of your mind and bring you into the present moment, which is where the animal lives all the time, surrendered to life. It's so wonderful to watch an animal because an animal has no opinion about itself. It is. That's why the dog is so joyful and why the cat purrs. When you pet a dog or listen to a cat purring, thinking may subside for a moment, and a space of stillness arises within you, a doorway into being. The vital function that pets fulfill in this world hasn't been fully recognized. They keep millions of people sane. They have become guardians of being.